Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Animal Activity, What Are They Doing? By Nell Hayward. The penguin is playing golf. The cat is fishing. Crocodile plays skateboard. Dino is a skateboarder. The tiger plays football with a monkey. TM. The tiger rides a bike with a mouse. The owl is teaching the chicken. A giraffe eats corn with the bird. The owl is conducting a song. The owl prepares to play the surf. The owl wants to play rugby. The owl plays baseball. The owl is archer. The owl played the guitar with frog and worm. The giraffe lifts the heavy barbell. The giraffe lifts the heavy barbell. Dino is driving the car. Two bears are living in the house. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!